Struggling with stubborn blackheads? Discover Grandma's secret remedy for natural blackhead removal. The appearance of blackheads, small black skin projections commonly found on the face, particularly the nose and sometimes on the back, results from the clogging of sebaceous glands due to excess sebum production. These tiny plugs, formed by the mix of sebum, dead skin, and bacteria, become oxidized upon exposure to air, resulting in their black color. Conversely, whiteheads, appearing as white or yellow bumps, don't oxidize. Causes include stress, hormonal changes, genetic predisposition, poor skincare, cosmetics, smoking, alcohol, and caffeine. Here are natural ways to combat blackheads using accessible ingredients. Tomato wash. Apply mashed tomato over blackheads before bedtime, allowing its natural antiseptic properties to dry them up. Wash off in the morning. Lemon scrub. Mix lemon juice and salt, apply on blackheads for 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Toothpaste rub. Apply a thin layer of toothpaste on blackheads, leave for 25 minutes, and gently wash off with warm water. Honey massage. Apply honey on affected areas, then rinse with warm water after 15 minutes to benefit from its antiseptic properties. Baking soda mask. Make a paste of baking soda and water, apply to affected areas, let it dry, then rinse with warm water to remove oil and dirt causing blackheads. Oatmeal pack. Combine oatmeal, yogurt, lemon juice, and olive oil into a paste. Apply on the face for 10 to 15 minutes, then wash with cold water. Egg wash. Beat egg whites with honey, apply on blackheads, leave for 30 minutes, then wash off with warm water. Cinnamon pack. Apply a thick paste of cinnamon powder and lime juice overnight, then rinse off in the morning with warm water. If you found the tips helpful, show your support by liking and sharing the video. For more tips and recipes, subscribe to the channel.